This is my hair. It's dry, it's frizzy, it's dead. So today I'm going to show you my pre-shower routine, plus the hair mask that gives me the softest hair. It's 3 steps, 4 ingredients, let's get into it. A scalp massager. It doesn't matter what sort you use. This is from the dollar store. This is the only scalp massager I've ever owned in my entire life. I don't know if this is the best one. I don't know if this is the worst one. Just get a scalp massager and you're just going to scalp your massage because you're just going to massage your scalp. The reason I do this is because normal people have 1 or 2 issues with their hair. I have every single issue under the sun. You name it, your girl has it. So the reason you want to do this is because it helps with blood circulation. The more blood circulation, the more your hair is going to grow. And you want to stimulate your scalp before you put in any products because that helps the product work better. So I massage my scalp for like 5 minutes and then I move on to step 2, oiling. So this is store-bought obviously, and it is basically an onion hair oil with black seed and coconut. And I've been thinking that once I'm done using this, I will make some onion oil at home as well to see if that works better, because I feel like onion juice, in my opinion, is one of the best things ever. If you have hair fall, if you have thin hair, if you have bald spots, nothing has helped me as much as onion juice has. But as I've said before, my only problem with my hair isn't just that I have hair fall or I don't have enough hair or that I have bald spots. I also have really thin hair. I also have like frizzy, curly, dry hair. So I want to use like oils and masks and moisturizers to overall like improve all of my hair. With onion juice, it just stops hair fall. It helps with hair growth and it stops hair fall. But if onion oil, on the other hand, makes your hair healthy, makes it shiny, makes it soft, plus stops hair fall, that's everything in one. So I'm going to do that experiment and come back to you guys. But for now, let's scalp. Let's massage the scalp with this oil. Once your scalp is fully oiled, again. Now that that is done, let's make the hair mask. You're going to need a teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of hair mask, this is the one that I use, a teaspoon of hair oil, and some aloe vera. So I like to put my hair into sections and then apply this. Now you can change the amount of ingredients because this is what works for me. I don't have long, luscious, big hair, so 1 teaspoon of everything is enough for me, but you might need more or less depending on how much hair you have. You can also change the amount of the ingredients depending on what you want from your hair. So if you want like soft hair, add more aloe vera. Or if you have like a dry, dehydrated scalp and hair, you might need to add more yogurt. Or like more oil if you want like shiny, healthy hair. And because I have all of the issues, I like to add everything in the same amount. Also, disclaimer, never use aloe vera without soaking it. Aloe vera is toxic, so whenever you're using fresh aloe vera, always soak it in water for a couple of hours before you use it. And you're going to notice that when you soak it, the water is going to turn yellow. Don't use aloe vera without soaking it. And that's that. Once that's done, I like to leave this in my hair for a couple of hours, like really just as long as I can. Like sometimes I have things to do, so I leave it in for 5 hours, and then other times I don't have things to do and I just wash it immediately because I just want it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in a bun and leave it in for a couple of hours, wash it out, and that's it. So that was it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like. Also comment below and let me know, do you want more skincare videos, more hair videos, or what kind of videos do you want? Let me know that, and also subscribe, click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload, and also check out my shorts. I upload a lot of hair, skin, and makeup hacks over there, so please check out the shorts. Check those out and also follow me on my social medias. They're at @elnafox, and yeah, that is it. I'm the only Elna Fox in this world, and I really hope that together we're able to fully glow up. We're able to solve all of our hair problems, all of our skin problems, all of our mental diseases that just won't leave us alone. Solve all of that, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter.